Okay, you got nanners for the first time? Yeah, you should eat them. You can eat the whole plate at once, baby. Don't eat the plate. Eat what's on the plate. Yeah, eat that. What is that, Bubba? He's like, I don't know. This is messy, he says. Okay. What's this, Bubba? Hey, what's this? What's this? You do it? Don't like it? You like the puree bananas better? Here, Bubba. Here, baby. Here, baby. Trent. Here, Bubba. Here. You're not sure about that, baby? Yeah, it's nanas. You like nanas? You like nanas? Oh, now you're passy. Here, baby. Here, baby. Here, Bubba. Here. Here, Bubba. What'd you think, Bubba? Huh? Want more? Here, baby. Ugh. Here, baby. You like bananas now? Here, let's get that one up your chin. Eh? Just okay? Kind of strange? Yeah, is that new and different? Yeah, it's kind of different, isn't it, Bubba? I'm not too sure. It's okay. You should have a lot of it hanging off your chin. Yeah. You want more? Yeah. How is it, Bubba? Yeah, you want more? Here, take it off my hand. Here. Can you see it? Here. We'll just squeeze it, baby. Here, Bubba, look. Here's more. Trent. 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 Hey, there's more. Look. You see it? Are you just putting them in your lap? We have quite the collection of bananas in the seat, don't we? Hi, Missy Buzz. Hi. You're silly. You actually have bananas everywhere. You ready for cereal? Okay, that was very good, Bubba.